Take your ball. This is event number 105, Heat 4. In lane 1 is Monica Benjamin Isaac of SWST. In lane 2 is Malala Peter Edenberto of SWST. In lane 3 is Jamal from Lloyd of GTSC. In lane 4 is Eduardo Peter James of GTSC. In lane 5 is Alba Nicolas Jacob of SWST. In lane 6 is Astorga Vance Queen of SAST. Lane 7, Rico Ramoso in Derek of GTSC. Lane 8, Danare Dylan Carlisle of CAC-DS. Lane 9, Chua Mansor of SAST.
Ito, 8 years old.
First pa siya dyan sa Pampers Cup.